Hi, Unbox over here. Here we have Terminator on 4K Steelbook. It has Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos on the 4K disc. On the Blu-ray is Master Audio 5.1. Aspect ratio is 185. And the runtime is 107 minutes. So let's open it up. Glued on. That's the sticker. Can remove that. Quite nice. Backside Arnold. Got disc art, 4K disc with Dolby Vision, Blu-ray disc, inside art, the whole thing. Yes, that is the Terminator from James Cameron. 4K Steelbook. If you're into collecting Steelbooks, Blu-rays, 4Ks, please subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.